Let's meet Julie. For the last few days, she had been facing great difficulty in operating her garage door. So, she called Adams Garage Doors LLC, and after discussing the matter, she booked a service. Their certified door technicians came with modern tools and repaired the flaws expertly. They also used branded quality materials to ensure durability and longevity. Julie was overwhelmed with their top-notch garage door repair services, which were also affordable. So, like her, are you also looking for the best garage door repair company? Visit adamsgaragedoors.llc.com to know more, or call 703-623-6766 for a free estimate.